Big burp.
I can't have any other option.
Oh, that was good.
He was telling everyone to shut up when they were giving it. He was like, "Shut up! They're not like you."
Ew. Shut the fuck up. Moleque.
I've got a little message to the haters.
Dr. Pepper. What's the... That can happen.
Sorry about that.
You're getting sensitive on me, Goldfarb.
Ooh, good rip.
Chug, 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 chug. Turn up, baby. Turn up Fridays.
Hey, so I really like this girl at work. What's the best way to ask her out? Stop being a bitch.
AJ wants you to think that he's cool, but when he gets together with his friends,
I say TV.
they're just nerds.
Anarchy. Oh no. I'm going to smell that for days.
It was the latter.
How guys burp? How girls burp?
Wow.
Oh my.
Trifle.